Hey everyone, it's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. It's Friday afternoon, the weekend is almost here. Quickly today we're going to talk about some herbs and spices that will help you to lose weight. So I love to find natural ways to lose weight, to boost my metabolism and even to help me stay in better health. So I think that you've heard me mention before that I teach a class for the University of South Florida for the OLLI division, and one of the favorite classes in the semester is the one that we do about herbs and spices. Not specifically for losing weight, but just because there are so many great herbs and spices that can really help us to stay healthier, can take care of some of our issues that we might face in a very easy manner. So especially when it comes to me with migraine headaches, in the past I used quite a few. I still routinely use ginger because that is such a great one. That and cinnamon and turmeric are three that I use a lot because they really help with headaches. But you know, we don't have to eat bland and boring food to lose weight. And if you know anything about herbs and spices, then you know that by adding them to what you're cooking can give it lots of flavor and lots of extra nutrients. Plus, a lot of the herbs and spices can boost your metabolism, so they help you to lose weight, which is great. So it sounds like a win-win situation, which I believe it is. So I'm just going to briefly mention some of the herbs and spices today that you can start working into your recipes to help you lose those few extra pounds. So I mentioned turmeric. This is one of my favorites to use in smoothies because it's great for helping with inflammation. But turmeric contains curcumin, it's an antioxidant, and it's a nice warming spice. So warming spices increase your body heat, and that helps to build your metabolism up more quickly. And it's easy to work it into your meals, to add it as a boost of healthy goodness. Now you can buy it fresh in the stores, which I generally do. I generally shop here in Florida at Publix, and it's in obviously the grocery section, in the produce section, and is generally in a little small plastic container. And it's great to put into soups and stews and marinades, to add to chicken. You can even spice it up with scrambled eggs, and of course you can always go to the store and buy a good quality turmeric powder. So number two that I love is cinnamon. So when I use cinnamon, I always use Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon is in the country, C-E-Y-L-O-N, as opposed to just the regular cinnamon that you buy in the store. So while we find cinnamon in many desserts, this is one that I generally add to my smoothies as well. But when we are cooking things, we tend to over sugar things. As you know, we just love to have our sugar here, not just in the States, but in many countries. And if you use a lot of sugar, you could try sprinkling cinnamon onto things like your oatmeal, in your coffee, on top of your yogurt, which I do pretty often. Sometimes I'll just take some Greek yogurt and add some cinnamon and some cacao powder, and then some sliced almonds, and it's a great quick and easy snack if you eat a small amount, or even as a breakfast dish. And of course you can sprinkle cinnamon onto your sweet potatoes. Cinnamon actually can balance your blood sugar and can help you to feel full longer, and adds a sweet enough taste that can help you quit your sugar cravings, which is a great way to quit sugar, because if you're like me, you like sugar way too much. So cayenne is another great spice to use. It again raises your body temperature and it boosts your metabolism. Cayenne is very versatile. You can use it on your meats, put it in soups and sauces. You can even sprinkle a little bit into your salad dressing for an extra pop of spice. Another great one is cumin. So recently studies have shown that cumin can help you to burn more body fat. It adds a great smoky flavor, and especially good if you like Mexican cuisine or Indian cuisine. So I love Indian dishes, and so cumin is really a good one for that. You can also use it for Italian or even Chinese style cuisines. So try experimenting with that when you're cooking. You can use it in rubs, in marinades, in salad dressings, salads. Since it helps reduce body fat, it's great for helping with getting your weight loss under control. So ginger's another one. As I mentioned, I love to use this. It's an excellent anti-inflammatory. Also great if you suffer from headaches or migraines, or nausea in general, because you can just grate a little bit of fresh ginger, steep it in some boiling hot water, add a little bit of honey, and you've got a tea there that can help with the nausea. You might not even need to add the extra honey to it, just have it as is. So it is excellent for inflammation, and it's also great for its thermogenic properties like turmeric and cayenne are. So makes your body warm up again. So you can also freshly grate into foods that you cook. I like to just put maybe this much into my smoothie every day when I'm having a smoothie, because of its anti-inflammatory benefits. As I said, you can slice it and put it in tea after a meal. And you can also use ground ginger if you can't find fresh ginger. So number 6 is garlic. And we all know that garlic has got some great reputation there for helping with high blood pressure, but it's also a great flavoring for your recipes, and it can help you also burn off more fat. Great news if you're trying to lose weight. So it's actually best to eat raw, but that might be way too spicy for you. So just try adding it into some of the foods that you cook, because it's easily added in there. It's not a big deal to add some fresh garlic into there. And then the last thing I want to mention is black pepper. So the funny thing about black pepper is my husband absolutely loves black pepper. When we go out to eat, he actually takes the top off the black pepper so that he can make everybody at the table sneeze, because he puts so much on. But if you add a little bit more pepper, say on top of your eggs or your meats or even your salads, it blocks the formation of new fat cells. So that helps stop weight gain before it even begins. Plus, it helps bring out flavor in your foods naturally. So I love to buy black pepper in its, the little round pepper balls, and grind them myself. I just think it tastes better that way. But anyway, those are 7 things that, let me recap. So that's turmeric, cinnamon, cayenne, cumin, ginger, garlic, and black pepper. All of those can help some way naturally help you with weight loss, whether it's by helping your metabolism speed up, whether it's helping with fat storage. Between those 7 things, you can definitely find a couple of those options to add into your recipes, to add into your foods, to really help you with losing weight naturally while it's adding some natural flavor to your foods. So thanks for how they work for you. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later on my next Facebook Live. Bye.